Entries for trade receivable. Your company sold goods to ABC Co. for $3,200 less trade discount of 10% and cash discount of 5% for payment within 15 days. The invoice was settled by check 5 days later. Make entries to record both of these transactions. Answer: sales price $3,200 less 10% trade discount $320. Sale $2,880. Cash discount 5%. Discount allowed $144. Cash payment bank $2,736. Total $2,880. Journal entry: debit trade receivable $2,880. Credit sale $2,880. Payment debit bank $2,736. Debit discount allowed $144. Credit trade receivable $2,880.